If you're wondering whether you need flat roof replacement in Oro Valley, Arizona, you're not alone. Flat roofs here work hard through intense sun, big temperature swings, and monsoon rains. So at some point, every homeowner has to decide if another repair is enough or if it's time for replacement. The first thing we look at is the condition of the roof. Soft spots, widespread cracking, or leaks in more than one room are strong signs the system is failing. At that stage, another patch may only buy a little time while you keep paying for interior damage. We also factor in age and climate. Flat roofing across Pima County, Arizona faces powerful UV exposure and standing water during storms, which can shorten its real-world lifespan. A roof near the end of its service life, with a history of issues, is usually a better candidate for full replacement than another quick fix. We don't recommend replacement just because you called us. If the damage is limited and the rest of the structure is solid, a focused repair or coating can still be the right move. The key is an honest, thorough inspection so you know what's happening on your roof. At Golden Roofing Arizona, we explain your options in plain language and walk you through the pros and cons of repair versus full flat roof replacement in Oro Valley, Arizona. If you're unsure what your roof needs, schedule a free inspection and get a straightforward plan for your home.